Usembut Menteri Rangba ubak Presiden Tensong ubak Khmiru ya katana District Council Affairs DCA hakalai terik naiwing ula khot pynlong ya kajinyalang jong barok lai teli ki Autonomous District Council banyak keren halor ka jimpenden kamno daki kor digital na ka bentaban bu jingtho hakabai de ber ki jaka puta land records halaki jong ki jaka habakren Syllad pathai khubor utensong ulaong ngila developer ban shim ya karai bahadian balami ka jing perbena barok kilai teli ki ADC Mardor ki dei ban pentre kamno ya kaneka digital naga bentah ban bu rekod ya ki jaka puta kat kum kaneka jong upentip ru baka sorkar India lembaka tanat land resources kalong ka bakloi ban beitingka naga bentah kaneka projek ka bakongsan ban pentikna halor ga jingpen kala digital ya ki jingtho ki bai dei ber ki jaka puta jong ka we pakawe ka jela hapok kari Nalor kata ubak Presiden upentip ru ban nakaliang ka sorkar kan sathau da ka project management unit PMU ya ka baon kli da ki he ka tanat District Council Affairs DCA nalor ki dekhon na ka tanat Revenue Department kumju da ki Deputy Commissioner bat ki District Council shu ula ong ru ba ka jimpen kala digital na ka bentaban bu jingtho kan penduna ru ha ka bede bat ki kam ya ka jaka Habakali halor ki jaka ki badon hakhaput barka Assam Umentri ula ong bakan ne ka jimpen kala digital kamut bakan kentup ya baro bat ya mentang ngin le na ka benta ki lai teli ki District Council ki bahap hapok ka 6 schedule bat ki weipat kin sabut hadien
We discuss about one important issue, and the issue is about the digitalization of land records. Digitalization of land records. In fact, the government of India, through the Department of Land Resources, Ministry Government of India, they are willing to fund this important project where they really wanted that each and every state they should digitalize the land in their respective state. So now we have a detailed discussion and we decided that these responsibilities should be given, should be entrusted to all the treaties council. They will become the implementing agency in their respective jurisdiction, and then we will have also beyond that we will have the project management unit where we call it PMU, and this PMU is to be headed by the secretary of the head of the department of the DCA, then the members will be from Revenue Department, all the respective deputy commissioners, and then all the respective district council. They'll be also part of this PMU. So these were the issues where we discussed, and we have already decided that once the notification comes out, then the district council, all the district council has to immediately implement this digitalization throughout the state. Digitalization means those who already registered, be it with the district collector, or be it with the district council, or be it with the aim of it, we will do the digitalization. And those who has not, then the district council or the district council will take up the responsibility of doing it. They'll make sure they'll issue a proper land documents, and thereafter they will digitalize it. Can't say right now when, but see right now we will reconstitute that PMU, as I said you, even the state level monitoring committee to be headed by the chief secretary. Then we'll have after that, then we will have even the district level monitoring committee will be there, and I will keep having meeting with all the district councils once the notification comes out. Because they from their side also they said we have to do it immediately, and I told them you do it immediately, so that, as I said to you, once we have this land record in place, the kind of dispute, the kind of time consumption will be reduced. Done that way only. Digitalization means it will take place entirely. And right now we are going to the 3 district council, which is under the 6th schedule. Okay. So when you talk about the government land, revenue land, or maybe the cantonment land or whatever, that will come in the next phase. But the first phase right now is we are talking about the land which is totally under the 6th schedule. You can't do that. How can we bring the same AD rules to all the 3 district councils? They have a different customary laws. They have different customary practices. So it's not like that. Like in Garo Hills, they need 80 rules separately, but it should be in line with the sectional. So be it Khasi or Jaintia, they need to have the 80 rules in place according to the the principal act indicated over there.